With food allergies and preferences, this is a high-protein strawberry. This is a keto, non-dairy, high-protein, and this is a fruit-based sorbet because we have a gluten-free, a dairy-free, a keto, and one who doesn't like dairy in our house. I love this comes with 3 containers. They're about the size of the traditional containers you can buy in the grocery store, so they don't take up my whole freezer space, but I can make customizable, special ingredient desserts to meet all our needs. Love that they included a number of recipes to use. I just used the directions, used a video on one, as well as the link to an online recipe book, dairy-free, high-protein, regular, the world's easiest 3-ingredient lemon sorbet, and then I used a real high-protein yogurt with fresh strawberries to make delicious frozen yogurt treat, 3-in-1, super easy to make, freeze overnight, and they take about 3.5 minutes each to finish up, so you can be done the next day with 3 perfectly customizable, fully controlled desserts in about 20 minutes. Your ice cream setting is your creamy one. Dairy or dairy alternative is thick, it's creamy, scoopable. The light ice cream, your keto, your paleo, low sugar, low fat sugar substitutes. The sorbet setting is your high water, high sugar content. I used lemon for this one, delicious. Your gelato setting is your Italian style. It's more of your custard based cooked, a little bit more effort for this one. Yogurt base uses real yogurt. Full fat, high protein with sugar works best for this one. The milkshake is your hack. You can use store-bought ice cream or homemade milk and mix-ins. Classic milkshake. Your mix-in is for completed frozen solutions. You can add in cookie pieces, nuts, cereal, frozen fruit, etc. You just want to make sure that you make the ice cream first and then add in the mix-in second. And the respin is if you want the machine to take a second shot at the creaminess level. So if you're crumbly or too icy, you can respin it and get more of a creamy texture. And I love the easy maintenance of the machine. The smart design slides up into the machine for the perfect paddle. You've got plastic, rubber. This is a magnetically attached paddle, plastic and plastic. Almost all of it's dishwasher friendly, super easy to clean with soap and water, just don't put it in boiling. I love that it has a safety locking door. You simply open the door, it stays in the lock position, you move it to the unlocked and then lift it out. All of these components are locking as well, so you just release the top of the lid. You can see here that the actual ice cream container goes all the way through the bottom where it connects to the bottom of the machine that lifts it up and down. As far as the top, it is also a plastic. Simply twist counterclockwise to lock it in place. It slides into the machine and then you'll turn and lock it. Close the door and it snaps locked and you're good to go. Like other at-home instant freezers, you do need to make it 24 hours in advance and let it freeze. But if you don't want to do that, you can customize ice cream with mix-ins from the store for mixed or milkshakes. But don't use ice cubes, don't use dry ingredients without creating the actual ice cream base first. And remember, it's not a blender, it's not a crusher. So the ingredients that go in there do need to be soft and smooth, not whole ice. But you can use crushed, so crushed candies, fruit, nuts. Hard mix-ins stay intact and softer ones actually blend into the ice cream themselves. And they do note that fresh fruit and other sauces can make it more diluted. Frozen and shell toppings tend to retain their thickness a little bit better. So after messing around with it, what stands out to me, I like it supports multiple dessert types in one machine. I have the respin feature if I don't like the texture. I like it takes up minimal counter space. It's not hard to clean nor store. And I like that it has pint-sized portions, fully fun and customizable for all of our special diet and allergy preferences. Love that we can create frozen desserts exactly to our taste and dietary needs. No compromising here. Fresh ingredients right where we want them and right where we need them. And it's so flexible. Multiple desserts without changing machines or complicated steps. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful in making a purchasing decision, please give this a like so I know to make more videos like this.